Everybody, gotta want it bad today, man.
Cold and rainy. Deepwoods prospecting. This is Rob. I'm Chad.
Yep.
Let's go get it. What's up, everybody? We made it to the spot. We're getting set up. Get this bucket rig ready. Got a little shelter going on. You know, we tarped it. It's cold as hell. We're gonna find some good gold. So it's cold, it's raining like crazy. We're finding good gold, some chunky, and it's right down inside of that hole if you can see it. I started cutting back into the bank, getting down to that pay layer, the old ancient riverbed, and it's paying pretty good. Before I leave and clean up, I'll get a little quick video of the gold I got so far for people that say I haven't found gold. But I'll get it. Got all my material that I'm gonna work today concentrated down to this. And let's see what we got. Gotta be careful so I don't throw it out. Got a lot of fines in here. Well, for the guy that says I don't find gold, there's gold. There's some more gold for you. Flaky. But when I get home, I'm going to clean it up a lot better. And I'll put a picture at the end of the video. Till next time, keep it deep woods. Yeah. Well, needless to say, this whole day just got a little bit better. A tree fell on the road, and it covered the whole road.